If you're a foodie, you need to know what's happening on your taste buds. Let's explore the science behind every delicious bite. Taste buds are tiny sensory organs located mostly on your tongue, but also in your soft palate, epiglottis, and upper esophagus. These little guys let you perceive 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Each taste bud is a barrel-shaped structure with 50 to 150 taste receptor cells that live for about 10 days. When you eat, dissolved food molecules hit these receptors, sending signals to your brain about the taste. Taste buds aren't spread out evenly. They hang out in clusters called papillae. Fungiform papillae are on the front 2/3 of your tongue. Circumvallate papillae form a V shape at the back, and foliate papillae are on the sides. Recent studies suggest there might be more than just 5 tastes. And don't forget, your sense of smell also plays a big role in how you experience flavors. So next time you enjoy a meal, remember the amazing science happening right on your tongue.